Mathematics Class 8th, Chapter 2nd, Exercise 2.6, Linear Equations in One Variable. Solve the following equations. We have question number first as 8x minus 3 over 3x equals to 2. We have learned in this exercise that we have to prior simplify equation and turn it into a linear equation. By linear we mean an equation having highest power as 1. In order to do so, we have to perform certain operations which we shall learn while solving these questions. So this is our required equation. We have learned in previous exercises that division, when we transpose denominator towards other side, it gets multiplied up. So the same shall be done here. So 8x minus 3 as it is equal to 2 as it is. We are transposing 3x towards right hand side, so it will get multiplied up with 2. The same has been shown, 2 multiplied with 3x. Now let's solve it further. 8x minus 3 as it is equal to as it is. 3 to the 6 followed with x. So 6x. Now let's transpose our variable towards left hand side. So 8x we have already. Let's transpose positive 6x towards left hand side in our mind. So it would be 8x minus 6x. That would be simple as 2x equals to as it is. Transposing this constant minus 3 towards right hand side, it will become plus 3. So plus 3 on right hand side. Now let's get rid of this 2. Here it is getting multiplied. When we will transpose it towards right hand side, it will get divided up. So x equals to 3 by 2 is our required solution for the question number first. Question second, 9x over 7 minus 6x equals to 15. Again, we are going to transpose whatever we have in denominator. So writing numerator as it is, 9x equal to as it is. We have 15 on right hand side, so we're writing the same. Now 7 minus 6x, when it will be transposed towards right hand side, it will get multiplied with 15. Therefore, we wrote brackets and inside it we wrote 7 minus 6x. We would open a bracket in our next step. So 9x equal to as it is. 15 into 7 is 105. If you forget tables, you can multiply it here itself. 7 5s are 35, so 5 came. 3 is carry forward. 7 into 1 is 7 plus 3 is 10. Minus as it is, 15 6 are 90, followed with x. This time, let's separate our constant towards left hand side. Hence, 105, when we will transpose it towards left hand side, it will become minus 105 equal to as it is. On right hand side, we were left with minus 90x, so we wrote minus 90x as it is. And we were left with transposing positive 9x towards right hand side. It will become minus 9x. So we wrote minus 9x. Now it's just a matter to solve this equation. Minus 105 as it is equal to as it is. Similar signs we are going to add up and sign will remain same. So 90x plus 9x gives us 99x with the same sign as of negative. Using color code, we have cancelled negative negative on both sides, because you can operate separately on numerator part while solving equations and separately on denominator part while solving equations. So green color shows cancellation of negative on both sides. Now we have further cancelling opportunity which we have shown using red color. 105 and 99 are divisible with 3 and the divisibility test is simple. Simply add the digits. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 is divisible by 3. Similarly, 9 plus 9 is 18. Which is further divisible with 3. So let's do the same. 3 3s are 9, 1 is remainder, it becomes 15, 3 5s are 15, we get 35 on left hand side. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, that is 33 on right hand side. Now we can separate our variable x in our mind, that is 35 we have on left hand side. When we will get rid of this 33, it will get divided up when we will transpose it towards left hand side, because here it is getting multiplied. So 35 divided with this 33 equal to x. This is very similar as writing it as x equals to 35 over 33. With this, our question number second has been solved. Question number third, z over z plus 15 equals to 4 over 9. Again, we will shift or transpose our denominators on other sides. That is, z plus 15 will get transposed towards right hand side. That is, it will get multiplied with 4. Similarly, 9 will get transposed towards left hand side and it will get multiplied with this single z. So let's do the same. 9 into z is 9z equals to 4 is getting multiplied with z plus 15. To eliminate our confusion, we wrote this z plus 15 inside bracket. The step that we have performed here, that is transposing of denominators to other side, simply means cross multiplication in mathematics. That is, numerator can be multiplied with denominator of other side. Hence, in mathematics, we have given particular names for particular steps, whereas idea remains the same, that is transposing. Now let's solve this equation. 9z equals to, as it is, 4 into z is 4z plus 15 4s is 60. It is simple. Now let's transpose our variable z towards left hand side, that is 4z towards left hand side in our mind. So 9z minus 4z, it will get minus when we will transpose it. It will be 5z, simple, equal to this 60 as it is. We have a cancelling opportunity. 1 5 is a 5, 5 1s a 5, 1 is remainder, it becomes 10, so 5 2s are 10. That is 12 5s is 60. Z is separated and its value came as equal to 12. In this way, we have solved our question number 3rd. Question number 4th. 3y plus 4 divided with 2 minus 6y equals to minus 2 over 5. Again, we will do cross multiplication. So 5 will get multiplied with 3y plus 4 and minus 2 will get multiplied with 2 minus 6y. Basic idea is same, that is we are transposing denominators. So 3y plus 4 inside brackets because it's a bigger number and we have to multiply it completely with this 5. So we wrote inside brackets equals to as it is, minus 2 as it is, and 2 minus 6y inside bracket. So always put bigger number in brackets while you are in learning phase. Now let's open up the brackets. 5 3s are 15 followed with y, so 15y came, plus as it is 5 into 4 is 20, equal to as it is, minus plus is minus, so 2 2s are 4 of negative. Here minus minus is plus, so plus came, 6 into 2 is 12 followed with y. So always keep your concentration while opening brackets and stay focused while encountering signs. Now we have to transpose. Let's transpose this positive 12y towards left hand side. It will get minus 12y. So we have 15y minus 12y in our mind and it is simple, that is 3y equal to as it is minus 4 minus 20 because we are going to transpose positive 20 towards right hand side in our mind. So minus 4 minus 20 is minus 24. So always perform simpler steps or simpler calculations in your mind. Therefore, 3y equals to minus 24. We have a cancelling opportunity. So we wrote this step again so that we don't get puzzled. 1 3 is a 3 and 8 3 is a 24. It is simple. Y is separated, that is positive y, and its value came as equal to minus 8, which is our required solution for question number 4th. Fifth question. 7y plus 4 over y plus 2 equals to minus 4 over 3. Again, we will perform cross multiplication, writing bigger number in bracket. So 7y plus 4, it gets multiplied with this 3, equal to as it is, minus 4 gets multiplied with this complete y plus 2, henceforth inside bracket. Let's open the bracket. 7 3 is a 21, followed with y, so 21y came, plus as it is, 4 3 is a 12, equal to as it is, minus 4 into y is minus 4y. Here, minus plus in mathematics gives minus, so 4 to the 8. Again, keep a note on signs. Now let's transpose this minus 4y towards left hand side in our mind. It will become plus 4y and we have 21y. Same signs, we are going to add them up and signs remain same. So 21y plus 4y gives 25y equal to as it is. Let's transpose positive 12 in our mind towards right hand side. So we have minus 8 and minus 12. It will get added up because we have same sign and signs remain same, that is minus 20. We have a cancelling opportunity because we can easily see that both sides are divisible with 5. Hence we rewrote this equation so that we don't get puzzled. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, simple. Now we are left with 5y. Let's transpose 5 towards right hand side. Here it is getting multiplied with y. Here it will get divided up with 4. So y equals to minus we have, so we wrote minus 4 over 5, which is our required solution for equation number 5th. With this, we observe that we have to keep a note on signs, and it is a best practice to write bigger numbers inside brackets. With this, we have solved up to 5 questions of this exercise 2.6, Mathematics Class 8, Chapter 2, Linear Equations in One Variable.